Hey, Pepsi fans, guess what Pepsi sent me today? A little Cracker Jack Pepsi. Very interesting can. Let me show you the can. I got it in this crazy container. The can popped out. Actually popped out in shipping. And then inside, 3 handy dandy boxes of Cracker Jack. On the back of the can is actually a peel-off Cracker Jack sticker, which my kids are just killing me because since I collect cans, I'm not going to take that off. And they're like, "But Dad, it could be the best sticker in the world." Like, it's just the way it has to be. Sadly, there was only one can, so I can't really share the other. You know, usually there's 3, so I can't really share the cans with you. There's just one. Anyway, we cracked it open, took a little taste, and the way that we open it, as you know, is we put a hole in the bottom, which you can see like right there, tiny, right? Shake it up. But putting the hole in the bottom and shaking it up does pretty much spit out the carbonation. It's gone. So when you drink it, it's pretty much just the syrup. It's not the greatest. The way to drink it, and it wasn't cold. Oh, I do not like it when it's not cold. But anyway, the closest thing that we could come to that it tastes like is it's a little bit like either a hard caramel or a hard root beer barrel candy flavor. That's kind of what it has. And caramel would make sense, right? Because Cracker Jack. Now, I was pretty excited to get it because on the podcast, Tracing the Path, we did an episode where we talked all about the origin of the Take Me Out to the Ball Game song and Cracker Jack. So I thought that was a pretty fun little tie-in that I haven't had before between the Pepsi videos and the podcast. And if you do listen to the podcast, you should know that there is a Pepsi episode coming. The thing about it is, and the reason it hasn't come out yet, is because I haven't recorded it, because in writing the story, I haven't found the story. Like somewhere in there. Because you know every story of Tracing the Path has some unbelievable, like, holy moly moment where you're just like, whoa, I had no idea that happened. So, and I haven't been able to put all the dots together to figure out what that is yet, but that will be coming because there is some amazing stuff in the world of Pepsi. But anyway, Cracker Jack Pepsi, I don't know where you can get it. Pepsi sent it to me. I haven't seen it anywhere. It's got this cool thing on the back. My guess is it's going to be at baseball stadiums, but that's just a guess. So anyway, Cracker Jack Pepsi, Soda Shop Pepsi, I believe we're getting some sort of a new can prize pack in the mail pretty soon. So when that happens, I will return with another video. But in the meantime, if you are interested in more Pepsi Great, subscribe to the channel because I'll try to get you the most up-to-date, new, and interesting cans as they come out.